Okay, hello? 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 No, let's check. Oh, I have to change the scene, of course. Of course. Anytime you're ready, game. Oh my god, why aren't you changing? Okay. Hello? Hello? Balloons? Come on. Help me out. Oh, wait a minute here. Oh, thanks for the follow. Judge Slayer. Oh, Judge Judy Slayer. Oh, okay. What an interesting name. When I finally get this display to work, I will show you the code, and you may join. I don't know why it's just not showing up. Try this. Hello? Okay, come on, show up. Oof. Oof. You know, let me try to restart the game. Let's give that a go. Let's just give it a go. This could be the one. I mean, everyone hears it. Maybe I'll just wait a sec. I'm gonna wait a second. Back here. Oh, well, let me change the video setting. Does that fix it? If I go back, does that fix it? Oh, God. I've never had this trouble before. It usually switches. Okay, let me quit the application. Usually switches. This is so weird. So weird. Okay, that changes. Let me try to add a new capture source. Maybe this will fix it. Balloons. Wait. Okay. Capture cursor, mode auto. No. Now, how about that? What did I do here? Oh, it's so weird. Why did that work? Let's lock it. Okay, we're finally getting somewhere. That is so weird. I don't know why that happened like that. Let me check. Start. Yeah, it just works. Oh, it's the weirdest thing. Alright, whatever. Well, we're here finally. Alright, okay, now let me get a game going. I'm gonna have the code on the screen, because I think a couple people are already waiting. Hold on, I gotta do my spin real quick, and then we'll put the code. What do we get for today? What is the prize? Oh, wow. 1 free entry. Oh, snap. 1 free entry. Okay, yeah, it's showing up. Here. I'm gonna make one with the friend code on the screen, and you can join. We're gonna do classic assault mode. No powers. I'm gonna wait here a second. It should appear. Yeah, it should appear. Just let me know. Let me know, guys. Be right back. I know, guys. Everyone's panicking. Alright, let me do a quick play then. I see one person having trouble. We'll just do a quick play in the meantime. We'll go from there. We will go from there. Same rules, same everything. Good old... Oh, I hate the card map. Let's see how this works. Is this gonna do good or what? Okay, he's gonna time out. Wow. I forgot about that. There you go. Let me check this. Checking levels. Gotta check so many levels at the start. Yes, this is great, actually. Actually good. Just have to get baby income going. There we go, finally. I feel a lot more comfortable now. This map is very short. It's a little rough on the balloon economy. So a couple pinks. This is for the economy. Keep sending some pinks. This will really help the balloon economy. I keep doing this for a little while until I can get, what is it, 2,000? Yeah, I think it's like 2,000. Once I get like 2,000, then I think I'm good at that point. I see someone's going to go wizard to compensate. He went 3 cannons. Wow. The thing about pinks are they got a great speed to them. No, This is a perfectly timed with the wave. I'm gonna send the green wave. Green Armada. Until I'm out of money, and then I'm gonna go. That'll help it. That'll help a lot, actually. I have some solid income right now. Oh wow, I got really low. I got too many of them through is what it was. I get 2,600, so that's gonna take 12 more seconds, 6 more seconds, and there we go. Now I got the Fire Mage. That will defend me for some time. I probably need, camo pinks. Yeah, let's send a wave of camo pinks. Those camo pinks, I don't think his cannons can see them. Yes, they got him. Only his wizard could see it, and his wizard wasn't upgraded. Oh, that was close. Camo was definitely the good call. Oh man. A little intense there. Okay, we'll do another. See, this map was a lot easier. I got my Buccaneers. I'll take it. I'll take it. So the problem was the guy went a bunch of cannons and a single unupgraded mage because I put him on the back foot early, which I almost died. But then thankfully I could camo pink him afterwards. And it took him out pretty much. Perfectly positioned Buccaneer. Glue gunner on the bottom here. Yes, this is good. Glue gunner on the bottom. I need glue spatter. ASAP. Do I not have grape shot? Of course I don't. What am I thinking? Grape shot, obviously. Grape shot is the key to living in this game. That and glue splatter. It basically does the thing where it slows them down for the life of the balloon. Even if you pop a layer, the slow still applies. And then when you combine that with corrosive, it's really good. It's popping balloons all the time. But we still need a mage to help deal with these grouping rush. And also camo detection, mage got it covered. I need the quick 1200, then I can probably send. Oh, he's dumping into. I need to send now if he's making a farm. This will stop his farming right now. It will force all his resources into something else. He's interrupting his farm build for another mage. Looks to be. I almost got enough money for a mage. I'll take that lightning. Okay, good. Actually. Give me more income. I need to get this mate to 2,600 before I can go next. Go ham on him. I'll pop the greens in his face. Green balloons. They're a large group, and they're very colorful. Do lots of damage to him. Now that halted his farm process a lot, but it looks like... I don't think he has camo. I don't see camo protection on him. These look like single shots. Actually, I may can send green camos. He doesn't have the arc lightning either. Okay, after this round, it's happening. Looks like he's dumping his money in upgrades now. Okay, good. Did I get fire mage yet? Okay, now we're going next fire mage. Economy is now 370. Still too low. So I need to save up and get to 2,600. After 2,600, I can probably have to mow him. Because that super monkey is disgusting. He made one wizard of lightning. The other two do not have lightning. And he does not, they're not fire mages either, or wind mage. Dragon's breath for sure. Then I need to save for minigunner. My buccaneer. Give it the minigun. He does have camo detection. Unfortunately, he has camo protection. That will set me back some. There's the crow's nest. Lets me see stealth. The spinning thing. And now blue gunner here, I think. Oh no, his ascend is on this side. There we go, that should ensure blue gunner coverage. And then another wizard. Yes, another one. We'll have this as a catch wizard. No lightning on it, but just in case. Wizard. And then can we get another buccaneer, or are we crazy? Yeah, we can do this. Blue gunner up front is a good call. Great shot. I'm gonna upgrade this buccaneer. See how I can reach now? He's on his second farm. Now I'm going to do this for AoE cannons so I can take out MOAs instead of minigun. Plus it's further in the back anyway. Minigun won't do much. There we go. Extra cannon shot. That will really help with MOAs. Ooh, thank you. Hey, smile. Okay. Oh, that's disappointing. 25 seconds. Come on, get back in here. I want to beat you legit, not you disconnecting internet. It's like the ultimate. Sorry, I DC'd. Come on, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, well, I guess he just lost the internet. Unfortunately, he DC'd. Partway through. I was gonna go with the Moa strat. Alright, let me check. I'll make this code. Let me see. Are you actually here? Let's see. Are you here? You sent me a little notification. It says you're here. Alrighty. I'm gonna wait here a minute because I don't know if you can talk yet. I'm gonna wait here 1 minute. And you can join in. You should be able to see the code on the screen. Okay. Oh my god, guys. I started eating some food and I just, just spilt it everywhere. What was I thinking? Eating on stream. Oh man. Now my hands are like covered. Oh. Alright, let me know, dude. There you are. Hello. Just give me a sec. I literally just spilt stuff all over my hands. You're just gonna have to give me 1 second. I will 100% hit that button as soon as I... Oh, God. Wipe this off. Oh, you're on Twitch too? That's pretty cool. Oh, hey. Hey, new friend. Okay, just an FYI. We're playing at Marsh. And my favorite unit is the Glue Gunner. That is your hint. Plan your method of attack and try to defeat me. Meantime, I'm going Buccaneer, Glue Gunner, and Wizard. Cha-ching. Cha-ching. Man, I love Glue Gunner so much. Did I ever tell you guys how much I love Glue Gunner? The Glue Gunner unit is so underrated. Like, everyone's like, oh, get the Mini Gunner, you know, get the Mortar, get the Black Hawk or the Banana Farm. I love the Glue Gunner. Oh, what are you mad about? Why are you angry? Why are you sad? Uh-oh, are you just putting random emotes, or are you actually sad? Ugh, nice one. I'm telling you, don't ever eat food while you're doing anything. It has a way of getting everywhere. Like, I literally just the smallest thing, and it's just absolutely. Oh, what's so sad? You gotta select your unit. Are you having that bug? I think there's some bug sometime where you can't confirm or something. I can remake. I'll remake it. I think you're having that bug. Sometimes it happens. I had it the other day when I was doing a tournament. Someone had that issue. And we had to remake the tournament for us so they can get in. Alright, just look on screen. There you go. We can do a different one. Oh, Snowy Castle. Yeah, let's try this. Oh, what was his name? Puppet. Yeah. Does that work? I don't know if this works or not. Okay, yeah, I guess it's kind of whoever can get to it. I don't know if Puppet. There you go. And let's try to do it again. You just gotta select your units, lock them in, and we can start. Come on, Puppet. Puppet! Is that a point? Or is that thumbs up? What is that? Am I crazy? It says I'm ready. Yeah, it says I'm waiting on you. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, why are you crying? Can you not start? Can you not begin? Or select your units? Or at all? Or nothing? Oh, I just realized you probably can't talk. Because there's that follower rule. But I don't know why it wouldn't work. It should just work. I've had many people successfully get in and all, you know. Many people. I wonder, can I... Are you in chat? Alright, I guess I'll know in a second. You should be able to talk in 1 minute. It's so weird how you can't start. Can't select. So weird. Oh, okay, ink block. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's just how it's set up on the thing. You know, the 10-minute. I have to remake. Hold on. It's just how it is, but once you follow your, you're good to go. We can do ink blot for sure. 1 year I won't when I find it. Oh god, I think I went the wrong direction. Oh no, I think I have ink blot. Just look on screen. Check, make sure. Is this the one you have? What you're talking about? If not, you can link me your code you made and I'll just join you. It's fine. Oh, okay. Okay, well, just send me your link. It's fine. Okay, whatever you want to do, Hobbit. Oh, good. That's nice to hear. Wonderful news. Wonderful news. Either join this or send me code. We'll go from there. Yeah, if you're gonna send a code, just click that little clipboard next to the code, and and paste it into the chat, and we can I can see it. There we go. You're smart. Perfect. I'll join you. Hold on.